Today, we are making a woven flower hairpin. Prepare 5 pieces of 3/8 snow yarn. Fold into 2 triangles. Then fold the corners inward. Clamp with tweezers and flip backward. Fold the corners back. Cut off the excess and seal with a lighter. Make 5 petals in the same way. Sew the petals together. Wrap a hairpin with silk thread. Knot it first and cover the whole hairpin. It took hours to finish wrapping. Sew 3 leaves together. Then attach them to the hairpin. Sew the flower onto the hairpin. And adjust the position as you like. Add a tassel and fix it with hot glue. Wrap the base with snow yarn. This covers the base for a neat back. Glue the base to the back of the hairpin. Add a flower center. Your beautiful flower hairpin is finished.